Hi guys and good morning. I've just put, excuse my hair, I've just put my makeup on. I haven't had a chance to do my hair yet. Baby is napping. At the moment he's only having 20-minute naps in the morning, and which is, lured me into a false sense of security because usually he sleeps quite often. Sorry, I have got holding this camera. So sorry if that's why it's shaking. Today I am going down my dad's. My dad and I am from South Wales in Cardiff. I'm currently in Chester at the moment, and he's coming up to get me and the baby, and we're going to go down and visit my dad and the family for about 7 days. And then we're going from my dad's then to my mum, who lives in mid Wales, and she lives in the middle of nowhere and in this old creaky house. So I'm just in the middle of packing and also tidying the house before I leave. And so yes, that's they're picking me up later. It's only around 9 o'clock I think it is at the moment, and they won't be picking me up until around 1 o'clock I think. So I've just got to tidy the house, got to pack, everything's on the table. It's a huge mess, but I basically hate packing because I've got everything ready, but like the little knickknacks, the little things that you need just, before you go. So like my phone charger, I need to make sure I've packed that, because that's the number one thing that I forget. So yeah, so I've got that to do today and this morning, and also in about an hour and a half, I am going to go to my NCT group. I'm not actually sure what it stands for. I've only been to one last week and I actually quite enjoyed it. And it was just going to a cafe and just meeting all other new mums and dads and just sharing your experience, because my little boy is only 3 months old yesterday, and I didn't go to any of these NCT groups whilst I was pregnant, so it was actually quite nice to find these groups afterwards and go from there really. So yes, I'm going to go and tame this while I've still got a few minutes, and then tackle this. So this is all my packing stuff. Like I said, I am going for a week, well, probably about 12 days I think. So this is like my pram bag. My pram is, I can't remember the name of it, Stocker. And so I've just shoved some extra nappies in there because I feel like I always run out. And then I've made, they're all his like onesies that he sleeps in, and I've just put all of these together. So I've made a few of these just to make myself feel a bit organised. So I've just made some bags of his outfits. So he's got, like trousers, vest, top, socks, a muslin, and I've just done 12 of those really, and a few extras just so that I'm a bit more organised, because otherwise I just start to really stress out. So yeah, so that's basically the bottom of his pram bag. It's not very big, but I'm trying to avoid, basically, because it's like a 3-4 hour journey in the car from South Wales to Chester. My mum is halfway in the middle, so I'll just get a train from my dad's in Cardiff up to the mid Wales, and so I've got to take things on the train basically along with a pram. So I'm trying to take as less luggage as I can. So I'm going to try and squeeze all of this into here. This is going to be my bag, so I've got all my makeup and skincare in there, toiletries in there like my face wash and shower gel, toothpaste, and all my clothes are in there. And then I've got my handbag, and then this is just the attached, like a little bag to put on the front of the pram handles. I've just bought that off eBay for like £5, and just thought, when you're just in a rush at the till and you just need somewhere to just shove everything in. So yeah, that's what that is for. So yes, oh look, I've got my phone charger ready. I did just do that. Why did I forget that? Okay then, so yes, that is what I've got to tackle. Hello. Hi. Hello. Did Did you have a nice nap? Oh, did you have a nice nap? It looks like you had a nice nap. Should we get you changed? Should we get you changed? Should we get dressed? Yeah? Oh, stretches. Come on then. What's wrong? Hey. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Oh, have you got a cough? Have you got a little cough? Hey, have you got a little cough? Should we get you changed? Oh dear. Oh dear. All dressed. We need to find you some socks, mister. We need to find you some socks. I think so. You're hungry. Couldn't wait, could you, mister? Huh?